So what's up guys, this is Sunny Sheikh back again with a new video. This video is going to be very much different from all my past videos anamata. In this video I am gonna tell you a story which is from my own life. It's like a story time and నా లైఫ్లో నేను చెప్పుకుంటే బాగోదు కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ కాలింగ్ ది గ్రేటెస్ట్ స్టోరీ టెల్లర్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ జనరేషన్. సో లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ మై బిలోవ్డ్ అండ్ ది వన్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ ఆర్జీవి. యా హాయ్, టాక్ అబౌట్ ఆర్జీవి. ఈజ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్ ఫ్రమ్ మై చైల్డ్హుడ్. యా యు నో మ్యాక్సిమం ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అబౌట్ మీ అండ్ సో నేను చెప్పడం కంటే వాడు చెప్తే మీకు కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఈజ్ ఎ గ్రేట్ స్టోరీ టెల్లర్ యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్. సో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాము. హాయ్ సెక్సీ, ఐఎమ్ ఆర్జీబీ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ హియర్ టు టెల్ అబౌట్ దేరా నా వన్ సైడెడ్ లవ్ స్టోరీ. చెప్పే ఏముంది, ఏం కాదు, చెప్పే హిస్ వన్ సైడెడ్ లవ్ స్టోరీ. ఐ విల్ ఓన్లీ స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ మీకు చెప్పడం మర్చిపోయారా, హీస్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ స్టోరీ టెల్లర్ అండ్ హీ ఓన్లీ టాక్స్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అనమాట. సో మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ అర్థం కాకపోతే కనుక ప్లీజ్ మీ బట్లర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇక్కడ ఈ వీడియోస్ చూడొద్దు. ఒకవేళ ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోవాలనుకుంటే చూడండి, కానీ సర్లేదు వీడియో అయితే చూడండి, అర్థం కాకపోయినా. కాకపోతే ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకున్న వాడి దగ్గర అర్థమైందా. ఇఫ్ యూ గైస్ నో ఇంగ్లీష్ దెన్ గెట్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ వీడియో. యాజ్ యూ నో, ఐ బోర్న్ ఫారిన్, ఐ లివ్ ఫారిన్, I grow foreign. Hey, ఏం చూస్తున్నావురా? You only said one-sided love story. There are many girls for your one-sided love story. Which story I should tell? You tell me, I tell them. Hey, పరు తీయగరా. అదే ఆ స్టోరీ ఉంది చూసావా? ఓ దట్ 10th class గో, 8th class. ఓకే సందు. అది సారీ 8th class గర్ల్. అది ఆ స్టోరీ చెప్పు. ఓకే, హియర్ ద స్టోరీ బిగిన్స్. లాంగ్ టైమ్ అగో దేర్ లివ్డ్ ఎ బాయ్, క్యూట్ బాయ్. యాజ్ ఐ ఎమ్ ఎ స్టోరీ టెల్లర్, టు హ్యావ్ ద స్టోరీ వెరీ interesting, I assume myself as the hero of the story. So I am Sunny. When I was in 8th class, I used to be a very good boy. People used to think like that. Actually my family members. అంటే అది ఆ వయసులో మరి అలా ఉండేదన్నమాట. బట్ దే డోంట్ నో ఐఎమ్ ది yo-yo boy. Now the story begins. Class means 9th, 10th, inter first year, second year, engineering first year, second year. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 years back, there used to be living a boy whose name is Sunny. That is me. He has a friend in his neighborhood named Raju Rastogi and another person named Kaju Barfi. These two people, Raju Rastogi and Kaju Barfi, used to be friends of mine. They are still friends of mine, but then more friends. Like we used to play games in one and the other house. They come my house, I go their house. We play, we go to terrace, all that. Our talking once got the topic love. And this bloody Raju Rastogi and Kaju Barfi asked me whether I have girlfriend or not. I clearly said them that I don't have, I am a saklaunda. Then they laughed at me. I was like, why you laughing at me? They said, you like so handsome and you don't have boyfriend, you don't have lover, girlfriend. Very bad. I thought and take it in a serious way. Like, I thought of loving one girl. This Raju Rastogi and Kaju Barfi told me a girl in our neighborhood named Poolam Devi. Yeah, Poolam. It's Poolam. Pool, swimming pool. Poolam Devi. She is beautiful. I beautiful. I thought why I not love her. Our family has a shop in which I used to sell. She used to come to my shop, take groceries. Not only groceries, she used to talk with me. She used to ask me about my study. She used to ask what. I, Raju Rastogi, and Kaju Barfi. We three used to plan how to call her to our house. But that Poolam Devi's parents are very strict. They didn't send. For some days it went like that. Like I used to see her, she used to see me. When she comes to our shop, I used to talk to her. All this went. It's the month of Ramzan. As you all know, we used to go to masjid for having the tastiest jam. We used to go first, take a big carriage and bring that to home so that we can come again from masjid and have again. One day, I thought of giving her a love letter as I don't have that much guts to tell her directly. I did take a letter, A4 sheet. It should be neat now. So I took A4 sheet and I wrote I love you and a heart symbol and a arrow which came here and got out from my heart. And I thought I should give it to her. She went to masjid, she took Ganji Java, she was going and I was following her. And I called her. I literally forgot that I used to wear jogger pants. I kept the letter here the side by pocket and I forgot that I kept the letter here and I went to her and I said, I love you. Poolam Devi was like, yeah, I will show her action. She is going like this. Me. Poolam Devi, yeah, I love you. Yeah, I love you. Then she. I was like, what's your answer? क्या मतलब? कुछ नहीं. This bloody कुछ नहीं. I don't understand. If you girls love a person, you should say you love him, yes or no. What is this कुछ नहीं means? I don't understand. I asked, कुछ नहीं मतलब? She said again कुछ नहीं. I know that nothing means nothing. You don't have to repeat it again means nothing. I was following her. Like, tell me. She said, don't follow me. My parents will see me. Then I stopped. Went to home and acted normally like nothing had happened. But I was depressed. It's my first rejection which I couldn't take it and I was about to die. Sorry, I was just kidding. I was feeling nothing, like I was just in thoughts what to do next. Will she accept me or not? Like, then I went to this Kaju Barfi and said that she said me like that. Then she said, if a girl said kuch nahi, then there is something. I was really so fucking happy. And 2 days later, I went to school and came back. And there was a conversation between my mom and my brother. They were talking about something like marriage, that it. Then I, like Puddingi, said, I don't want to get married. Then my mom said, it's your age to get married. Then I said, no, I will not get married. Then my mom said, why did you write love letter? I was like, how did she got to know? Like, it was only between me, Kaju Barfi and Raju Rastogi. How did my mom got to know? I asked mom, what? She was like, I read the letter. I was like, fuck. I forgot in my side pocket as I didn't give her letter. She started scolding me. Very bhulakkad, like I am very bad at memory. I forget my money, my all things in the pocket. My Joby checked my pockets and she got to see this letter. Actually, she didn't know to read, but somehow she figured out it's a love letter because of that love symbol and a arrow coming out of the heart. She saw and came and came and showed to my mother like, आंटी see, सन्नी बाबू का पॉकेट में ये लेटर मिल गया. My mom read it and my mom is very smart. She knows that if this Dhobini gets to know that my child write a letter to a girl, then she will tell to everyone. She covered it up like, it's not Sunny Babu's, it's actually his friend's. I think he is acting like a mediator to give it to another girl. Wow. I thought my mom is more smarter than me. I am dumb. I asked whether dad knows. She said yes. I told this to him. I was like, Ma, kyun bole ma? I will not do this again, ma. Seriously, ma. I will not love any girl, ma. I will not get married, ma. I was waiting for my dad to come and do marriage with belt. And I was in my room. Like, I was waiting when he will call me and when I will have marriage with the belt. So, he called me. He took me near and said, this is not the correct age for everything. What you are thinking is very wrong. You should not do this thing and don't do this again. I was like, huh? My father is very strict. As you all don't know, he's ex-serviceman. He's very strict. Even now I don't talk before him. Like, I was like, is it my dad who is not scolding me for this? I was thinking that I will be get killed today. I will be going out of the house. I said to my parents, my father and dad, that I won't do this again, that this, like a good boy. But from the next day, I was looking for that girl. For a few days, in 9th class, I went to hostel. And when I came back, I got heart attack. Because that girl got into relationship with another boy who is much smarter than me. But after a few days, I didn't give a fuck about that. I just moved on. Sigma male rule number 1. If you don't get the girl, change the girl. So that's it, guys. This is all for today. That's my one-sided love story. It's not actually love. Moreover, it's like infatuation or attraction. At that age, అంటే నాకైతే ఏం తెలియదు. బేసికల్గా ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెప్పారు, ఫ్రెండ్స్ లవర్స్ ఉంటేనే ఒక తోప్ అనే ఫీలింగ్ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి నేను ఆ టైంలో నా కళ్ళ ముందు కనిపించిన అమ్మాయిలో ఆ అమ్మాయి కొంచెం అందంగా ఉండేసరికి ప్రపోజ్ చేశాను. అండ్ స్టిల్ లవ్ ఇప్పుడు కూడా నేను అనుకుంటాను నా ఏజ్ కరెక్ట్ కాదేమో లవ్ కానీ. అండ్ వాట్ మై పేరెంట్స్ డిడ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ సూపర్ సపోర్టివ్ అనమాట. నేను ఆ టైంలో మా డాడీ వాళ్ళు నన్ను కనుక తిట్టినా ఏదైనా చేస్తున్నా నాకు ఇంకా లైక్ I would go into mentally trauma or something like that. But they supported me. They tried to convince me. They tried to explain me what is right and what is wrong. Mainly my dad. నాకు అందుకే మా డాడీ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం అనమాట. ఎవరైనా పేరెంట్స్ కనుక ఇలా నా వీడియో చూస్తుంటే కనుక ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ సే వన్ థింగ్. ఇఫ్ మీ పిల్లలు కనుక ఎవరినైనా లవ్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళని కొట్టొద్దు, తిట్టొద్దు. ట్రై టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దెమ్ ద థింగ్స్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ అండ్ ట్రై టు బీ సపోర్టివ్. ఒకటే చెప్తాను, ఎప్పుడైతే పేరెంట్స్ నుంచి లవ్ తక్కువేద్దో అప్పుడే పక్కన కానీ వేరే లవ్ కానీ కావాలనిపించింది. సో మీలో ఎక్కడ తప్పు ఉందో తెలుసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి, దాన్ని రెక్టిఫై చేసుకోండి, మీ పిల్లల్ని ఇంకా దగ్గర చేసుకోండి. ఏమైనా తప్పుగా మాట్లాడితే క్షమించండి. ఒకవేళ మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే, ఈ స్టోరీ టైం వీడియో నచ్చితే, ఈ వీడియోకి 100 likes కనుక తెస్తే నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో వీడియో చేస్తాను స్టోరీ టైం. అది కూడా సేమ్ నా లైఫ్లోంచే చెప్తాను అనమాట. సో 100 likes టార్గెట్ ఈ వీడియోకి. చేసేయండి అబ్బా. అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా షేర్ చేసేయండి ఈ వీడియోని. నాకు తెలుసు మీరు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు, అలాగే చేస్తున్నారు లాస్ట్ 1 year నుంచి. ఐ విల్ బి బ్యాక్ అగైన్ విత్ న్యూ వీడియో. అంటిల్ దెన్ టేక్ కేర్. బాయ్ బాయ్. ఖుదాఫిజ్. Thanks, Ra. As I said in my story, Raju Rastogi, this boy also same dumb fellow.
Ray.
His name Deva.
Hi, but I'm not dummy fellow.
You are not dummy fellow. You are dumb fellow. Come here, come here. Any single girls, I will give his account here. Sorry, here.
Yeah, I'm ready to mingle.
You can text him. He will take good care. This is another again second dumb fellow named Revan. Hey, come here, come here. This boy is also one-sided lover. No one should message him.